Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Moto G04 smartphone. In this video you will learn how to show numbers on typing keyboard in your phone Moto G04. First of all, go to the typing interface and see here only letters are showing, A to Z are showing, no numbers are showing. If you would like to type number, you go to press here, then only you can type number. But if you set numbers on the keyboard itself, you can directly type here. Okay, here how to set those numbers, how to bring numbers on keyboard. Okay, for that what you have to do is go to the settings of your phone here, then go to system, then go to keyboard, then go to on screen keyboard, then go to Gboard, then click on preferences, and here turn on this button number row. Just turn on this button and go to the typing interface, and now you will see those numbers. See here 1 to 0 are available. Okay, so above letters numbers are also showing. So if you want to type Mickey 10, then you can type 10 here. Okay, see here, so I typed number from the keyboard itself. Okay, so it is easy shortcut. That's all friends, thanks for watching. Bye.